Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. We'll do a quick update on high short ratio stocks here and see what we can buy. So with that quick market update here, markets are trying to do a small bounce today. As you can see here, the S&P 500 small bounce in play, and same story with the Nasdaq and Dow Jones as well as the Russell 2000. We'll see how it plays out. So with that, let's jump in and look at high short ratio stocks. From a high short ratio stock perspective, as you can see here, we got PBTS, Power Bridge, very high short ratio, still 44%, as you can see here. And stock had a nice bounce in last 5-day time frame, but yesterday it kind of gave it back a little bit. I think still a short squeeze in play, indicated by a high short ratio here and low RSI. We could slowly buy into the weakness here, take advantage of this small drop here and go from there. And then we got few more where there's a short squeeze in play here. We got PROG. I would not buy into this right now given there is a high RSI here. I would wait for a little pullback. As you can see here, PROG had a nice run in 5-day as well as in 10-day and 1 month. I would wait for a little more pullback here. On the other end, we got stocks like AGC here. AGC, as you can scan through here, it's got a low RSI and high short ratio. You could buy this one slowly and take advantage. And then we got fundamentally strong companies. Take a look at Big Five here. It's got nice sales growth, nice gross margin, handily satisfies rule of 40, and also it's got a high short ratio, which is 39%, and low RSI. You could take advantage of this and buy some, Big Five sporting goods. It's also showing a small turnaround here. Buy it on the down days. And then we got few more as you can scan through. And what we'll do now is we'll look at a little more stronger candidates. When we buy stock with a high short ratio, typically it's a good idea to look at a little more stronger candidates with nice sales growth and gross margin, which satisfy rule of 40. So with that, let me apply a quick filter for you here, and we could look at those stronger candidates. So I will apply a filter here to give me a little more stronger candidates with nice sales growth and gross margin and also bigger short ratio. So when you apply this filter, what happens is I only get the stronger candidates with nice sales growth and gross margin. As you can see here, these candidates are better candidates with nice sales growth and gross margin. And as you scan through here, we got stocks like Big Five sporting goods. That's a good one here. I could buy this stock slowly. Given RSI is low, I could accumulate slowly. And then you got ATER, similar thought process here. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and also institutions and insider buying. That's a very good idea. And we got Blink here, same thought process. Blink, nice sales growth, nice gross margin. Institutions are buying. That's a catalyst here. As you scan through low RSI, you could take advantage of that one too. And we got my favorite here, ICPT. I love this one. It's a down big. You could take advantage of this one too. And whenever you see stocks like BitCM here, see here, there's a huge bounce in last 5 days, 15%. You could wait a little bit, let this cool off. Focus on the candidates where there's a smaller bounce and there's a likelihood of stock increasing. And then you got iRobot here. I love this company. I've been trading this for a long time. And right now, iRobot, as you can scan through this, there's a small bounce here. You could still buy iRobot given there is a high short ratio here and take advantage of this situation here. And we got Shift 4, one of the Fintech play. I love this one too. This also can do a nice bounce. It's turning around as you can see here. And we got a few of my favorite stocks as you can scan through here. I love stocks like Beyond Meat, Parts.com is also one of my favorite, and even Derm Tech here. It's a great play here. I think this one is also trying to do a small turnaround. Still RSI is lower, just 39. You could take advantage of that one too. And we got here TIGR. TIGR, as you can see here, stock has been dropping big time here, showing a small bounce here. RSI is still lower. You could buy slowly, some of this TIGR and go from there. I also love Riot blockchain and EHang. You could take advantage of them too. And now, if you want to look at only the candidates with the high short ratio and rule of 40 like we talked about, and also you can say, what, I want to focus on stronger candidates. Give me the candidates with the nice insider and institution buying. So we could apply that filter here quickly and look at insider and institution buying, and that will give you even stronger candidates with the bigger catalyst. So as an example here, we got a filter to show us only the candidates with a nice institution buying or a nice insider buying, coupled with the nice sales growth and gross margin, which satisfies rule of 40, as well as a high short ratio. These are a little more stronger candidates, so you could go after these ones. No surprise, you see stocks like Big Five, Blink, a good one, Park.com, even SENS, TIGR. Some of my favorite stocks are showing up here also. Then you could take it a notch higher and say, what, I like the short squeeze candidates here, but give me the stocks with a greater, greater net margin here. So that will give you a little more stronger candidates, so that way you can sleep a little more peacefully at night. So I could say, give me the net margin greater than or equal to 10%. So the moment I do that, you get even stronger candidates here. So as you see here, these are the stocks with the nice big short ratio, as you can see here. And also at the end of the day, let me change this filter here. Let's make it greater than or equal to. There you go. So these are the candidates, with the nice net margin. These companies are making money at the end of the day. So typically, these are the stronger candidates. High short ratio, at least the one at the top here, 19%, 16%, 11%. Look at this here. They are making money. So you could take advantage of these candidates here. Candidates like Riot Blockchain, HiMax, DPW, and even CDMO here. Select quote. Some of these names here, they are high short ratio and fundamentally good companies with the rule of 40 satisfied, as well as RSI is lower, as you can see here. You could take advantage of this situation here and buy some of these stocks here. So with that, let's also let's say net margin greater than or equal to 0. That tells you the positive net margin companies, companies that are not losing money. So that will give you a little more wider candidate area here. I love many of these stocks. For example, I love Riot Blockchain as usual. I think even ELY, Callaway Golf here, I love this one too. This also gives us very good opportunities as you scan through. Right now RSI is 41, stock is oversold. It's trying to turn around. That's a good play here. And look at many of these candidates. Some are trying to turn around here. That's why I always look at RSI levels. These are low RSI candidates. If a stock had a good big bounce, don't go after those. Look at the candidates like the ones which are shown here. They had small bounce but still high short ratio. Especially focus on the ones with the high short ratio. Maybe top ones where we shown here in the red here. Focus on those candidates and buy slowly. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Have a good one.